Have you ever wondered what is YouTube optimization? Do you often wonder how to reach the actual potential of YouTube optimization? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of correct optimization to reach on top? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about YouTube optimization. Now let's get into it. YouTube has become a dominant force on the web. According to ComScore, in March of 2008, over 11.5 billion videos were watched by 139 million United States viewers. YouTube has become one of the top viewed websites in quite a short time. Google's purchase of YouTube shows us how valuable of a tool YouTube is and the potential it has. YouTube videos are starting to show up on Google's natural search engine results, surpassing the top spots. A YouTube video properly optimized can outrank sites such as Amazon and eBay. This is an internet marketer's dream tool, and it is so simple to use. This is why you must properly optimize your YouTube videos. A good starting point for YouTube optimization is to make videos that are short, sweet, and straight to the point. People want instant gratification and do not want to sit around watching a 30-minute video on how to use a cell phone headset. Videos should be kept to a few minutes to reduce production time, upload time, and download times. Have a script prepared so you do not mutter or stumble upon your words. Film the video in the highest quality format you can. Crisp, clean videos will receive more attention than grainy, hard-to-see videos. Do not make videos private and always allow for comments. This user interaction can help increase video views and move you up the YouTube video rankings. Using annotations and text boxes in your video can help deliver your message or promote your website or company. Make sure not to overuse annotations, as they can become annoying and distracting from your video's main purpose. Since the search engine spiders cannot read or comprehend videos, you must use the text fields to optimize your videos appropriately. This means doing keyword research and making sure your keywords appear in the title, description, and tags of your video are imperative to a successful YouTube marketing campaign. Maximize the amount of text you can have in these fields. More text means a better chance of someone finding and clicking on your video. Make sure you use original titles and descriptions, otherwise your video will get lost in the millions of videos with similar names. Original content is what YouTube wants to see. The more originality you add, the better off you will be. You also want to have a username with your brand or website name so it is easily remembered. You have to put everything into perspective to increase views, as the average video only receives 100 views annually. According to YouTube guidelines, there are many factors that influence rankings and can help optimize your videos. These include the video title, the description, tags, incoming links, comments, subscribers, ratings, playlist additions, flagging, embeds, shares, age of video, channel views, subscribers, views, and the number and quality of sites that host or point to your video. You want to interact on YouTube by watching other videos, commenting, subscribing, creating channels, and making friends. Interaction helps with viral marketing, where one person tells another person about the video. This person tells 5 others, and so on. Doing this will increase your video network and views. All of these factor into ranking high for YouTube optimization. If your video appears on an outside website, you want to make sure that it is relevant and appropriate for your video. Each time your video is viewed from an outside source, it still counts as a view, so keep posting your videos on blogs and other sites. Basically, you need links from outside pages leading to your YouTube videos. You want the links to have a strong anchor text, meaning that the link leading to the video contains keywords related to your video. To increase your video views, subscriptions, and favorites, you can send out email blasts, place your video on your website and other websites, engage in the community, build a following, connect with other members, provide valuable content, and participate in social networking sites. Basically, Web 2.0 created a heaven place for video sharing. Your ultimate goal should be to reach YouTube's homepage under Spotlight, Most Viewed, Most Discussed, and Top Favorite Videos. You can submit your video to the major video sites at once using programs such as TubeMogul and Traffic Geyser. These software programs submit your video to all the major video sharing sites for you, saving time and energy. Simply enter the title, description, and tags for your video and it will appear on all the major video sharing sites. They offer analytics and tracking for your videos in one place, making it easy to analyze and tweak your videos. The best analytics would have to be the one given to you for free, YouTube Insight. This will give you all the stats and detailed information you could ever ask for. With Insight, you can see how many pages views you have, how popular it is, where people found your video, what country people watching your video are from, what sections of your video are most watched and least watched, and so much more. This statistical data should help optimize your current video and plan for future videos. There are many articles written about YouTube Insight and how to take advantage of it. I suggest reading up on these. There is a program called VideoTube Automators, which is designed to build hundreds of YouTube accounts so you can view, comment, subscribe, and vote on your own videos. This runs into the black hat area of marketing and is seen as spam. This is unethical and can get your account permanently banned from YouTube. Monetizing your YouTube videos is quite easy. You can easily set up your AdSense account in accordance with YouTube so you can start receiving money every time an ad is clicked next to your video. The main source of income from YouTube comes from the fact that you can show product reviews and sell features that could not be described in words. Electronic gadgets are a perfect match for YouTube video reviews. And, with that, we've reached the end of this video about YouTube video optimization tips to achieve top. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.